No, welcome. This is Neco year 2018 English Objective Past Question. Question number 29. And the instruction here says choose from the options letter A to E the one that is the most appropriate option for each of the following statements. This instruction is to answer question 21 to 30, and the topic is from idioms or idiomatic expression. And the statement here says Sandra's knees turned to jelly when the principal summoned her to his office. Sandra's knee turned to jelly when the principal summoned her to his office. This means that she was dashed. So, and the focus of our idiom here is turned to jelly. And when something turns to jelly, or to to turn to to jelly means means to become nervous. So option A say expectant, option B say happy, option C say hopeful, option D say nervous, option D E say sad. So from this explanation we find out that D is what relates to the explanation of 10 journey. So option D is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.